Hi everyone, I'm back and this time with my sugar box. So this is the May sugar box. It's the tropical edition and I've just received it. I'm very excited to open it, so let's get into it. I love the color. It's very springy. It's summer spring, so it's green. It's lime green. I have seen in the earlier boxes that they've done fabulous boxes, but this time and the last time my sugar box was very much like a shoe box. So come on, make it better, guys. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. I am going to open it. And here's the card. It says, "Our love for the tropics has been emulated in very carefully selected surprise in here. Find your style and bask in the awesomeness." That is the tropical edition. Alright. Okay, so first we have a piece of clothing and I'm going to open it. It's coral. If I've got my colors right, this is the coral color. Looks like a top, could be a dress as well. Just going to put this plastic on the side. So, oh, it is a top. It's a very kurta looking top. There's some work here in the front. It's like crochet work. And yeah, I'm going to put a trial of it and show it to you very soon. It's like it's got an angrakha style, so it's really cool. It's very boho. It's very cool, and I think I can wear it out shopping and probably wear it out to a friend's place, at a movie, team it up with shorts, team it up with pants, maybe even a boho skirt. So yeah, I like it. Okay, next we have a color pop frame organizer and it says, "Punk up your space with this colorful organizer. Hang your jewelry, organize your photos, pin your to-do list." We've got it all covered. So I don't know how it will work. Okay, I guess this is the top. So you hang it somewhere and there are clips here and you can hang earrings and your accessories, and they are like these wooden clips which looks like where you can put your post-its. So it's really cool actually. I might use it at my workplace to put my post-its and all. I always love to do my workstation really well. It's very colorful, and this is green and fuchsia and beige and teal green. Really like it. Okay, next I think it's a luggage tag. Looks like a luggage tag. Let me open it. It's really cool looking. Hot pink, razzmatazz pink luggage tag. This is what it looks like. It's got a pineapple on it and it's got these little ruffles and it's very girly. I love it. It's really cool. So yeah, next time I'm traveling, which I do a lot to a lot of places, I have a Goa trip planned very soon in the monsoon, so I'm going to take this and mark my luggage with it. I just hope no one steals it. It's too precious. Okay, now we have a brown little paper bag and I'm guessing it's an accessory because they always send an accessory. Last time it was 3 rings, which I used quite a bit and I love. Wow, so pretty. And it matches really well with the coral top. Beautiful earrings. They are gorgeous. And I'm going to try one of these on and show you. So this is what they look like. They are gorgeous and I love them, and I'm going to wear it with this top. I'm going to do a show of it later and you watch out the space. With me wearing all this stuff, we will do a little show. That's the top and that's the earring. It's definitely going on my Goa trip. Okay, and now we have a strawberry fruit scrub by Kalos, if I've read that right. Looks like a good product. Looks like it's a full size. It's 50 gram and it's a strawberry sugar fruit scrub. So I'm really excited to use it. Perfect for the summers. Thank you. And we have next an aloe vera plus fruit pulp and juice. So like, because it's sugar box, they always send something like a candy or sugary or something to get you going, to get you into a rush. And I think this time it's a drink because they have not sent any chocolates or anything else. So I'm gonna enjoy this one later. Okay, last but not the least, look at that. It's a sling bag. And it's a yellow, bright yellow, almost ochre, and it's got a sling inside, and what looks like inside is another surprise. Wow. So this is a surprise, but I'm going to finish with the sling bag first. You can look at the interiors. It's nice. It's got a zipper inside right here. And it looks like it's been made really well, and it's not a shady bag. It's really usable for a Goa trip or a party. I really like it. And the surprise, this looks like a little shopping organic bag, and like a tote actually. I like big books and I cannot lie. It's almost like that song from Sir Mix-a-Lot. If I said it, I'll have to censor this video. And it's really cool. I love the pun on it. So I'm going to put my books in it and carry it around on a beach holiday and have some fun. Only if my daughter doesn't interrupt me too much. Alright, so that was our sugar box for this month. Yellow, coral, and we've got all sorts of colors going. I love it. Thank you and keep watching. Bye.